I've been alone for what seems like forever. Try to hold it together, but I'm losing my grip. I need someone who can make me feel.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm joined by gorgeous Lyric, who's going to be my beautiful model, and we're going to be doing a lingerie shoot in this really cool space here in LA. It's a really cool studio. It's like fully very white. Before we get into this video, make sure to check out Lyric. She's going to be linked in the description below, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell button to not miss any of my future uploads. And let's get right into the video. Psst, you all know what's coming. This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in platform that will help you make your dream website, portfolio, or an online shop become a reality. Squarespace has hundreds of beautiful templates, so you will definitely find something that suits you and your personal style. You can build a professional portfolio website in a matter of hours, and you will be able to customize it every step of the way, so it's so you that nobody can deny it's not. As we all know, social media presence is power, and with Squarespace, you'll be able to auto-post all your content to Twitter, Facebook, or Tumblr with proper tags and descriptions. Finally, Squarespace helps you with the marketing. They help you with SEO, as well as some plugins for Instagram stories and so on, as well as share buttons, so your followers can give you some juicy shoutouts on their social media. If that sounds like something you'd like to try, make sure to go to squarespace.com for a free trial. And once you're ready to go, use my code squarespace.com/Anita to receive 10% off your first purchase. Okay, so this is my first setup. It's still super overcast. The light is supposed to come out, and I can see it kind of peeking out a tiny bit. This is really gorgeous. Yeah, beautiful. I like that. Yeah, this is so much nicer now with the light. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Beautiful. Yes, I love that. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. I love how you just looked in the same direction as him. That's perfect. That's a vibe. Beautiful. I think if you're like nice and close to him. Closer. Beautiful. Oh. Beautiful.
Keep dancing in the moonlight. The shadows cover up my sins. Always smarter when in hindsight. But baby, I don't care too.
If you like how my images look and you like how I color grade them, make sure to check out my preset packs. I have 2 new out, light medium and medium dark. They are available on my website anitasadowska.eu, and you can get a little discount code in the description below. Make sure to check them out. And now let's get back into the video. Yeah, that's pretty. I like that.
Give me all you got. Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could. Cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never. Why you tryna make us up? When I'm tryna make it up. I wish I could make you stop. Cause baby, I love you. Good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you. There's a sparkle in your eyes.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Nice. Let's see. Yeah, that's so pretty. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Beautiful. And can you twist your upper body just a tiny bit? No, the other way. So your arm out. Yeah, perfect. And then can we still be sitting on the side? So kind of, yeah, I'm just trying to figure out which way is the best way to go. Actually, that's pretty good.
Heart says, that's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place.
Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the photos. Thank you, Lyric, for being my beautiful model. Make sure to check her out. She's going to be linked in the description below. And if you did like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, click the little bell button, and I will see you in the next one.
Love in